It is a common breeding bird in marshlands and lakes that are well vegetated. Consuming large amounts of vegetable material, it forages beside the water. In natural settings, the bird often tends to remain secretive and in hiding, but can become more comfortable in certain environments. By far, however, the most common duck of them all at the Riparian is the mallard. The mallard, or wild duck, is a dabbling duck. Males are more brightly colored with iridescence, while the hens have a more brown speckled plumage. They can be found throughout the temperate and subtropical Americas, North Africa, and Eurasia.